So yes, in politics, you go up and down, and then a party that has lasted so long cannot simply, vanish. So
The United Democratic Party UDP and the Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP have reconstituted the Regional Democratic Alliance RDA to jointly prepare for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections slated to be held next year. The RDA meeting held on Tuesday nominated UDP Chief Medba Lingdaw as its chairman, HSPDP Chief KP Pangnyang as secretary, HSPDP senior leader and MDC from Maukandrio Martel Mukhim as co-chairman, and UDP East Khasi Hills President Titor Starwell Kine as assistant secretary.
The two political parties sat and decided on the matters related to the Regional Democratic Alliance. In the past, we've been working together with HSPDP, UDP and HSPDP. And after the general election 2023, we did sat again and discuss matters related to the RDA on the 30th of May 2023. In today's meeting, we have also nominated the chairman of the RDA, the co-chairman of the RDA, the secretary,